So we were just outside a minute ago, but stopped and yeah. There's house tour and look at my room. So this is my room. I have a bunk bed and 360 on my room. We're just gonna show you a peek of my mom's room. Yeah, you can barely see it. My nanny's room, you're not allowed to see what she was doing. But did you guys see that a little? No. I'm gonna show you everything in the house. We also have a Miss Bellons. Wanna say hi, Miss Bellons? Guys, I'm not allowed to treatment.
You are not leaving until somebody finds it. Everyone is on their hands.
So guys, I'm sorry about the rest. She's weird, but there we go. Yeah, because I didn't know we were going to use machine and there's no cussing around on YouTube. So I'm sorry about that. I should have made that video for kids. So I'm desperate. Hold up. Yeah. Okay, for some reason, my neighbors are leaving. So I'm gonna go on this plank right here. 360, three. I got a lot of money. I got a lot of money. I got a lot. I got a lot of money. I got a lot. This POV, am I gonna be like Beverly Hills? We got to baby focus all we need. Focus all we will. There you go. Here. A coffee shop. So guys, my neighbor just see me coming right there, and it was so cool. And if you see me, I'll be freaking busted. Now I'll be busted. But y'all were back. You're probably not. Guys, so we're wasting battery. You stuff. Like all that stuff. Not technically I can't. Call nobody, text nobody, do it. Oh, there's bird poop all over it. So we're setting to go up here. There is no bird poop. And at this point, I'm just disgusted at this place. Right here. I think that's a better. That means the king is off. Sorry about the barking back there. My dog's just barking. Sorry. What? Okay, this is weird. Because my nanny was calling my dog, and I thought There was no Rusty, Mama, Rusty. And okay. Yeah, so that's what happened in my life. And Annie has to scream at me. Go for dinner today. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Me there. So guys, yes, I was saying this place has a lot of bird poop. Now I don't know why, I don't know who did it, I don't know why they did it. They just think this is a just a plain thing never else. Guys, this is Batman and Harry house where everything. And bye.